Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we are learning how to do nails at home using a polygel. First of all, you will need a spatula to push back your cuticles and also to remove the dirtiness on your cuticle areas and also on the hidden parts of your nails. So as you can see in the video, I am doing that. If you're a returning sub, welcome back, and if you're new here, you're welcome, honey. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can become part of the notification squad. And secondly, you will need a nail filer to remove like the dirtiness on your nails and also to make sure that your nails are not shiny, to increase the adhesion of your nail products. So yeah, and now you can just wipe away all the dirtiness. And now I'm going in and applying some jewel forms, and this will help me sort of like give my nails some shape. Okay, so in this ones we are not gonna use tips. This is what we're gonna use to create our shape for the nails that we want. So I'm just gonna be going in with some coffin shape, and yeah. And now I have my polygel and I also have my monomer. That's what I'm gonna be using. Now I am going in and priming my face with, what am I saying? I'm priming my nails with a primer. So yeah, now I'm using my polygel and I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit of it to my nails, and I'm gonna use my polygel to just lay it on my nails. And for now I'm just going in with a little bit of it because I'm trying to sort of like create a shape for my nails, and I'm just gonna remove the jewel forms after and do the things. And guys, so this gel does not dry without you having an LED light, so you will need your UV lamp to dry the gel before removing the jewel forms. So yeah. And yeah, you go on create the shape that you want. And the monomer just makes it so easier for you to work with the polygel. It just makes it so easier. And now I'm putting them on a UV lamp for 60 seconds and they will be dry. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Please, please, please. And now they're dry. I went ahead and removed the jewel forms, and I'm just gonna go and do the rest of my nails off camera. And don't forget to squeeze because we want to make sure they're in right shape. And also when you're drying your nails, dry them from the front part and also from the backwards, from, let me say, the reverse side. And now I am going on and applying some more gel to all my nails to make sure they have a little bit of weight, and also to avoid them cracking or just coming out before time. So now I am giving them some support, honey. Guys, trust me, it's nice to do your own nails. It's so nice. Like, I really enjoy it. Like, I enjoy doing my nails. It's just that I'm one person who likes my nails plain, and because of that, I always don't decorate my nails. I guess I should just explore and do other things. But yeah. So guys, I spilled some monoma by mistake. Someone will be surprised with what is now happening, like on my table. This thing is very strong, so it's really ripped off my tablecloth. So yeah, you actually see, yeah, now I think you can see what is happening. So yeah, now I'm drying my nails. And also make sure, guys, the reverse side is also nice. You can fix that using a brush, because when you're drying the upper part, the other side doesn't dry. That's why I said you should also dry them like reverse. And now I'm just doing the last finger. Most people prefer to do the last one all alone because it can be problematic when you're doing it with the rest of the nails. So some people prefer to just do it alone, but I can do both. And now you have to make sure, OT, you wipe your polygel before you start filing, because it tends to be sticky. So you should wipe using alcohol. And now I'm just going on filing my nails, and I love, because a lot of us find it so difficult to do our own nails. I usually balance my fingers using the other fingers. Okay, what am I saying? I balance my finger using the other fingers. Like, if I am focusing on this particular finger, I will try by all means to balance it using other fingers. So yeah, it becomes easier that way because it makes it so easier. You should try it, and I would like to hear the feedback. One thing I love about polygel is that you can do your nails to be whatever shape and also whatever length that you want. And at the end of the day, it makes it so easier for all of us to do our nails, just to take care of our nails at home. It's one of those. And guys, now I'm done shaping my nails. I'm not using a buffer to just soften the nail because a filer can just give it that rough surface. And now I'm going on with my glaze Planet Nails UV light gel and just top them, guys, and give it that shine effect. So yeah, one thing I love about this top coat is the fact that it lasts longer. It takes like some time to come out. It doesn't also give you that yellow effect on your nails. There's some top coats that gives you that thing. It makes them look like they are dirty or anything of that sort. This one is the best. And now I'm just wiping off the excess top coat because once it dries, it means that you might as well need a filer to file it out. Or yeah, I guess a filer, that's one thing that can actually work best for them. And now I'm just gonna place my hand on a UV light for 60 seconds and they will be dry. To finish off my look, I'm going in with a cuticle oil just to protect my cuticles because already my hand has been through a lot. So yeah, that's it guys from me. Thank you for watching, and until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also leave a comment. Tell me what do you think about this set of nails. So